New Zealand scientists find vibration link that can predict volcanic eruptions. Researchers in New Zealand are developing a new warning system that tracks shaking within a volcano, and could someday provide 2 to 4 days notice of whether an eruption is more likely. After the deadly 2019 eruption of Whakaari, researchers at the University of Canterbury began to determine whether patterns of seismic frequency, the vibrations felt at a volcano, could help predict eruptions and prevent loss of life. Natural Resources Engineering postdoctoral fellow Dr Alberto Ardid studied recordings from the GeoNet seismometer instrument that measured ground noise and shaking before 18 eruptions at 6 active volcanoes worldwide, including 3 in New Zealand: Ruapehu, Tongariro and Whakaari. Machine learning algorithms allow Dr. Ardid to sift through thousands of recordings and highlight specific frequency patterns that occur regularly before eruptions. The findings, published in Nature Communications, show that in the 3 weeks, and then a few days before an eruption, there is a similar change in frequency across some of the volcanoes. Vibrations will become slower, indicating there is a blockage in the shallow part of the volcano, and a seal or cap has formed, which traps hot gases, builds pressure and sometimes triggers an explosion. This pattern begins to emerge, in our experience, about 3 weeks before the eruption and peaks about 2 and 4 days before the event, Ardid said. However, it is important to point out that we have observed this sealing mechanism without being associated with an eruption, he said. Sometimes the pressure will be released passively, and other times it can explode. That's when it's dangerous.